building a new Malawi will have to be a team effort every step of the way. I, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera.
I, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera.
Do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the functions of the high office of President of the Republic of Malawi. So help me God.
Sitikuwebweleranso.